Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you animate still images in Premiere Pro. As you can see, I have chosen a cartoon background here, and after that, I'm going to choose this Corvette in the upper of this clip of the background. Now just double click on this Corvette and make the size as you like by this, like this. Let's just make it the Corvette is coming from this way to here. It is coming from a long base, so it is small as we see. And after that, click on this Corvette, and as you can see in the effect controls, you need to choose some keyframes for position and scale. So click on position and scale. Now just let's move this playhead. Before putting these keyframes, you need to make this playhead at the beginning of the clip, and after that let's just move this like here and make this position change, like the car is coming forward like this. And making the car is getting bigger also because it is coming to us. Now let's again move the playhead and make the car is coming. Car is getting bigger. Again move this playhead and make the car is here and make it bigger like this. Now let's see. As you can see, I have animated these still images in Premiere Pro. Like this. You can make any kind of animated still images in Premiere Pro as you like. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tag Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.